Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to edit caption preference on YouTube. The first thing is open up your YouTube app, and then at the bottom here click on the U icon, and then at the top you click on the get button at the top right corner to open up your settings, and then you go all the way to captions. Tap on captions, and now it's on. You should have show captions. Now if yours isn't on, if it's like this, simply turn it on. And now we have caption size and style. Tap on it to edit the size and style. You can choose the text size like this, the caption style. You have different options here. You can choose any of them you like. So once you've done that, you also choose the caption. Okay, we've done caption style, sorry. You also choose the custom options, also font family. Choose the way you want the font to appear. The text color, the text opacity, that is, you can pick it. So here it's barely showing. It's like saying transparency or boldness. Yeah. So you go to edge type also, how you want the edges to be. Click on it. It will affect here. Background color you choose. You can choose your background color of your text. You can choose the background opacity, that's transparency. When you choose 25%, you see it barely shows anymore. Then you also choose your caption window color. You can choose your caption window color. See, if you don't want a caption window color, you can simply choose none and it will show. And then that's it. That is under a caption size. They also have more options here. Click on more options where you can choose your caption language. You can choose your caption language, choose any one you want here. When you're through, you click on it, and that's it. So caption settings from apps like YouTube and live captions will be applied first. Note that not all apps support the caption preference set on this particular screen. So that is how to edit caption preference on YouTube. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this which we put up every day. Thanks for watching.